Hello creative people, welcome back to our channel Tech Biporit. This video will help you to make your video more pretty nice. In this video, you will get 4 free animated video which you can use your YouTube videos as YouTube end screen. Before starting this tutorial, if you are the new in our channel, please subscribe now. Let's start. Here's have 4 different videos in this zip file. To download this file, check video description. Extract this file by using default extractor of your computer. You will see the video number 3 is totally different from other videos. This video has different extension called .mov, which you cannot use without this type software like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, etc. Let's see how can we use them. Here we are using Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. Inside Adobe Premiere Pro, import these files to your project file. In your sequence, select everything by clicking Ctrl or Command A and right click of any footage. Then choose Nest. Set a name and make it nested. Drag any video from your end screen to your timeline. Put that at the end of storyline. Now fade out your first track. Simple. Let's see what's the difference in end screen number 3. Drag and drop to the end of storyline. Put that on second track and make it overlap with the first track. This end screen with starts from transparency 0. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, please comment below. You are most welcome in our Facebook official group called Tech Biporit Global. Thank you.